Welcome to Fun Maths. Today I'll be solving an Olympiad maths question, more like a surdic question. So the question says if x equals this square root plus this square root, then x is what? So first of all, I'm going to take the square of both sides, okay? The square, not the square root, the square of both sides to at least remove the square root. So x squared is equal to the square of both sides. But in this case, I cannot say the square of this plus the square of this. Everything is joined together with this positive sign. So they are going to come under a single bracket. And then I have the square root of 5 plus root 99 over 2 plus the square root of 5 minus root 99 over 2 all square. Now, I think that looks more complicated, right? Now, if you had a plus b all square is the same thing as a square plus 2ab plus b square, or put more simply, a square plus b square plus 2ab. All right, so I'm going to be using that knowledge. However, in this case, this will be my a. Everything within this square root, this is my a, and this is my b. So it means that x squared is equal to, we are squaring now, a square, which is this square root of 5 plus 99, square root of 99 over 2 all square, plus b square, which is this square root of 5 minus square root of 99 over 2 all square, plus 2ab plus 2 into a square root of 5 plus root of 99 over 2, b 5 minus root of 99 over 2. So yeah, now the square always cancels out square roots, so this will make our work easy for this and also for this. However, you can't, because both of them have square root, you can't cancel out the square root because they are not the same. So this is where we'll be expanding. Here we have x squared equals 5 plus root 99 over 2 plus 5 minus root 99 over 2. Square root is gone for this. Plus 5 minus root 99 over 2. Then plus this one here, plus 2 into, now since they all have square roots, this is what I'll be doing. I can put a square root over them. By the laws of surd, when you have square roots multiplying each other, when you have two surdic problems multiplying each other, you can just put the square root over them and multiply them in-house. Okay, so the square root of 5 plus root 99 over 2 multiplying 5 minus root 99 over 2. So this is equal to, now these two are the same, but one has positive and the other has negative. It means that they are subtracting each other. All right, so it's going to be 0 for that. 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is 10 plus 2 into, now let's expand. Square root of 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times root 99 over 2, it is, there's minus here, so minus 5 square root of 99 over 2. 5 times the square root of 99 over 2, which is positive, plus 5 root 99 over 2. And then lastly, we have plus times minus, which is minus. Root 99 times root 99, they are the same. So we just have root 19, that's 99 times 99, the square root over it, that will give you back 99. So this will be 99 over 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 99 over 4. Close your bracket. So we have 10 plus 2 into the square root of 25 minus here plus here for the same thing cancels each other. Minus 99 over 4. 10 plus 2 square root of. Now we can use LCM here. The lowest common multiple is 4 because the denominator here is 1. So 4 is the lowest common multiple. 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times 25 is 100. 100 minus 4 divided by itself is 1. 1 times 99 is 99. And then we have 10 plus 2 into 100 minus 99 is 1. Square root of 1 over 4. So this can be written as 10 plus 2 into the square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. So these 2 can cancel these 2 to give you just 1. 1 times 1 is 1, right? So we have 10 plus 1, which is 11. Is that our final answer? Remember, we have x squared here. So x squared. The question says we should look for x, not x squared. So to get the value of x, we'll take the square root of both sides. And if I take the square root of this side and the square root of 11 also, it will be a positive or a negative square root. So x should be equal to a positive or a negative root of 11. That is the final solution. Till we meet again, this is Fun Online Maths. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so that whenever I post videos, you can be notified and you enjoy maths content. Like this video and share to others so that they can also benefit from it. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll do well to answer your questions. Till we meet again, bye bye.